Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 8th of August 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations and everything made in Unity, and be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. Be sure to check out all the links in the description for the video that I made for this month, including all the Humble Bundle sales, Unity sales and everything you can find in game dev to make massive savings. Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to another 150 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. So we've got Glowing Glade, and not all Metrovania games need to be dark and gloomy. Archidev has got Thor preparing for God of War Ragnarok. That's Craig's has got all loading screen and computer goodness. Sea Salt Crackers has got a sneak peek for their generation editor for the vegetation system. Doni and Zumama has got Project Impulse, which now has physics-based grabbing working fully in multiplayer. Aiken has got a prototype of Breakout. You use keys on the keyboard to create the paddle. Supercass has got Crazy Taxi meets the Fifth Element. There we've got the trailer for As Dusk Falls. Bitmagus has got some simple procedural health bars, and you can get the shader and the project link if you follow the links below. Conradicalissimo has got the first year of quitting his job and so close to releasing Dream Paper RPG. Wallaby has got Jellycar, all the sound effects make it the perfect package. Boing. Bong, bong. Yo Krusty Dude has added a black hole spawner for the multiplayer physics-based FPS game. The Real Dark Cloud has made his shader graph look better or worse depending on your opinion. Weird Pair 9506 has been making on Avatar The Last Airbender style fan game with all the animations and cool features. Divine Studios has got range weapons, lock-ons, and super amounts of accuracy. Merzabig has got nested coroutines to create some really cool looking health bars. Sergio Rodriguez 1 has almost turned his game into a top-down Witcher game. Sakura Rabbiter has been using the plugin for Zebra liquids. Arigato Gyro has got a before and after from concept to complete combat system. Gios Caminiti has got a game about driving a cruise ship. The Storm Rider has got various sea states made with a work in progress asset. Playloop_studios has got Constructor with some really cool runtime creation. So thanks for checking out this week's Made with Unity. Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 150 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Check out all my great assets, models and projects on the Unity Asset Store and on my website for bonus discounts. And a big thank you to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Hogan Nigan, Raheem Whittaker, Gene Pommier, Manos Barakas, Terence Conrad, Gage Linston, Walter Dunstan, Joseph Newman, Rene Leisure, Topher Chambers, Kreshnik Halili, Christian Selen, Benjamin Shankel, Alex Shen, Alyssa Faden, Daniel Getterjank, Lebrons, Stephen Morman and Rob Winkle. So thank you to everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.